Alright guys, today I'm going to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new LOKITHOR Portable Jump Starter with Battery Tester. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews, so let's go take a look at it. Let's check it out. So you get the user manual right here. You always have like the cleanest looking ones. Check this out. Let's go ahead and power it up. Check it out. Super cool. You also get a little pouch to put it in, the jump starters themselves, and then a Type-C cable to charge it up. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. All right, so let's go ahead and look at some of the features on here. So let's just try out the flashlight that you get on here. Check it out. It's got different modes on there. So that's pretty cool. So especially like if you're out late at night and you just need something to see under the hood or anywhere, this will come in super handy, that flashlight. And then right in here, you do have your where you'll charge it, as well as a USB option, so that way you can kind of charge your device. It also serves as a power bank. And actually just hook this up right here. All right, it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and actually just test the battery. It doesn't actually need a jump start, but we'll go ahead and actually use the battery tester option on here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do though is you do want to download their BackGuard app. If I didn't mention, this is a Bluetooth device, so we're just going to go ahead and go through the prompts. We're going to go ahead and hit that Add New button, and then it'll detect it. Once you have it on, we'll go ahead and hit Connect. And as you can see, it took less than 10 seconds to have it connected. Look at all the options that you have on here, but we're going to go ahead and go with battery test. Just make sure you fill this out according to your battery. Hit test, and as you can see, it's just going to go ahead and do it. I'm not going to speed this up. As you can see, it already found all the results. It was actually a good thing that I did run the battery test, because I did notice that there was a decline in the battery health. So again, this came out to be very useful, but let's go ahead and try out some of the other features. So it's got the real-time voltage, it's got a cranking test, it's got a charging test. So you can do quite a bit from the application, as well as just to double check that you make sure you got everything connected securely. It'll even show you that as well. All right, and as you can see, it is testing it. Got it all hooked up. Very, very cool, simple to use. You can see I just hooked it up to the battery, turned it on, good to go. All right, and then the last thing that we're gonna do is try the power bank option. So go ahead and use, like I said, it's got a Type-C and USB. We'll use the Type-C option. We'll go ahead and plug this into our iPad. Bam, there it is. Another very cool feature to have on here, just in case of emergency, you can keep your devices charged up as well. So if you guys are looking for a new portable jump starter with battery tester, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.